Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you the 2020 215 XSF by Scout Boats. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back of the boat. This is powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha motor. Next off, there is a freshwater holding tank in here with a freshwater washdown attachment in the back. Right down here, this is access to the bilge area. A little bit of storage in there, but it's nice and clean, stays dry. From there, we do have this seat that's very easy to lift up and give you additional seating throughout the boat. And we have this very large live well back here. Keep all your shiners and your shrimp nice and fresh. There's rod holders, 4 rod holders in the back and cup holders throughout the boat. We got 4 rod holders in the leaning post, tackle station, and also this cooler that's removable. At the helm on the leaning post, this is a flip-up bolster on both sides, so you can sit down comfortably or stand up and have some nice support at your lower back. You got the shifter right here, a tilt steering wheel, and this boat was optioned with the Garmin screen, the Fusion head unit, and the Yamaha controls, so you can watch everything going on with your motor. You also have the Lenco trim tabs. Moving up to the front of the boat, this is a very nice bow area. These backrests are removable. There's storage under each of these compartments. Then you have an anchor locker right here as well. This is one of the largest fish boxes that you can use as a cooler that I've seen on a boat this size. So you can definitely go out and catch your limit on every species that you can think of and bring them back home. They're all still going to be nice and fresh. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.